So hi friends, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Videos. So the Comedk 2021 application process has been started now from the 22nd of March. In this video, I will talk about all you need to know before filling the application form for Comedk 2021. So in this video particularly I will discuss the application fee that you need to pay at the time of application filling and the document that you need to require and the important dates and eligibility criteria and what is the pattern of the examination. So you will know everything about the Comedk 2021 so that you can fill this application form. And not only this, after this video I will upload another video in which I will show you live how to fill the application form. So you need to fill your information carefully so that you won't have to regret later. So I will show you in the next video, so don't worry. Please subscribe the channel if you haven't done it yet. I will inform you about everything regarding Comedk 2021 and also about other entrance exam, and I am making video regularly for Jee 2021 as well as I will make video for other entrance also, such as Wbjee, MSTCET, common entrance test. So all those video will be covered. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's my humble request, as I am providing you information all the day at the right time. So please subscribe the channel, it's my humble request. So, and I have already made many videos on Comedk cutoff, that is top 25 college, CS, IT, EC cutoff, and each round cutoff you will get, because in the last time counseling I have covered the counseling regularly, so I made the cutoff video after each round. So you can easily watch all those videos so that you will have the idea how much marks you need to score or how much rank to get a good college with CS, IT, EC branch. And I have already made the marks versus rank for Comedk 2021. You will get that video in I button as well as in description box. So let's start the video. So here is the important date that you need to keep in mind in order to attend this exam properly. So the application will start from 22 March of 2021, that is today, and you will able to do the mock test, which will enable you to know better the exam pattern, and you will be ready for the exam more easily after doing all those mock tests. And the mock test will be available from 15th of April, and the application will close on 20th of May. So you have so much time, you can fill it whenever you want. I will make a separate video so that I will show you the live how to fill the application form and how you need to pay the fee of the application form. So don't worry for that. And correction window, there will be a correction window to change something. Some data will be available to change, but some data is not available to change, such as your name, date of birth, and photo, signature. Those data will not be changed. So be sure about this, and don't forget to watch my next video, that is live application form. So correction window will be open from 22 May to 24 May, and admit card will be available from 10th of June, and exam date is 20 June 2021, and the result will be declared on 6th of July 2021. And the provisional answer key, that is after exam they will release the provisional answer key, that is 24th of June. And you can challenge the answer key also by paying 500 per question, and the final answer key will be declared on 1st July, so that you can easily verify how much marks you are going to get. And on 6th the final result will be declared, that is how much rank you have scored. The counseling date will be notified later, because there is no fixed date for counseling now, but it will be done 1 or 2 weeks after the result is announced. So now the document required. So 10th mark sheet you need to upload during the application form, and how to upload I will show in the next video. So that will be considered your date of birth proof. So put your date of birth same as your 10th mark sheet have. So you need to upload the signature and photo, and the criteria for photo is photo should be color and recent, that is not more than 3 months old, and the size of the photo should be 80 kb, and the format is JPG or JPEG. So same is applicable for signature also. And for ID proof you can upload the file to 150 kb, and rest is similar to photo. And for parent signature the criteria very similar to photo. Be aware that this document can't be changed, so don't do any type of mistake while uploading all those documents. So don't forget to watch my next video in which I will talk about the how to fill the application form live. I will show you by filling application form. So please subscribe the channel so that you will get that video also. So next is eligibility and pattern of the exam. So 10 plus 2 from any board, if you have done, you are eligible, and if you are doing, that is you will pass in 2021, then also you are eligible. And any dropper student also eligible. PCM or biology, that is physics and math is compulsory, or and chemistry or biology if you have with English, you are eligible. So 45% marks is needed in 10 plus 2, and 40% for SC, ST, OBC student, and that is only for the Karnataka student. Other state student will be considered as general, so you need to score 45% whether you are SC, ST or any category. So for age limit, there is no age limit. If you have done your 12th in 2019, 20, 21, no matter, you can apply for this. Diploma candidate are not eligible because lateral entry is not possible through Comedk. And the total number of questions will be 180 and 1 marks for each correct option, each correct question, and there will be no negative marking. So this is a very good thing about this exam, that is there will be no negative marks, so you can attempt as many questions as you want. Medium of exam will be only English and computer based tests. So the test center are all over India, so you don't need to worry about the exam. You will get the exam center near to your home because the exam center is available in every state of India, so you don't need to travel to anywhere. So here I will show you the step, and in next video I will show you live how to fill and make those steps. So registration by using basic information such as name, and fill the academic detail and choose the exam city. After registration, you will get the registration application ID and password. So using that, you will be logged in the your application form, and you will fill the academic detail, choose the examination center, after that you need to upload the photo and signature, ID proof, all those things. So application fee is 1800 for Comedk, but 2800 for both, that is Comedk and Unigaze. So Unigaze and Comedk both will be conducted in the same exam. You need to give only one exam. You will get two rank card, one for Comedk and one for Unigaze, and Unigaze counseling will be conducted separately, and some college accept Unigaze rank, so you can do the their counseling also to get some college, and the Comedk counseling will be done based on your Comedk rank. So these are the two options. If you want to apply for both, you can, but I think one is enough. So the next is download the confirmation page. This is very necessary. It will be used during the counseling also. So download your confirmation page after doing all the things. So don't worry if you have any doubt, that will be clear in the next video. That is step by step. I will show you how to fill, and I will fill the live application so that you don't have any type of doubt. And if you feel any type of doubt, except that, you can ask in the comment section or on my Instagram. You will get the WhatsApp group link also, so you can join that and ask any type of question from me. You will get both the link in the description box. So thanks for watching this video, and hope you find this video useful, and share this video to your friends so that they can also get this information.